everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Alkaline has been unlocking new levels on the fashion scene as he has been featured in Gievnchy's Spring-Summer 2022 men's campaign. Last evening, Gievnchy's creative director Matthew Williams released photos via his official Instagram page of the new Lever singer in an all-black fit for the campaign. In 2022, Alkaline's music and style served as Williams' inspiration and was featured in Paris Fashion Week's Givenchy menswear collection. Champion boy, after all, and my side of the story served as the soundtrack on the runway. Born Erlen Bartley, Alkaline is one of the most streamed Jamaican artists on Spotify. His debut album New Level Unlocked enjoyed a #1 debut on the Billboard Reggae album chart in 2016. His sophomore project, the 14-track Top Prize, peaked at #2 on the Billboard Reggae charts. Now that's a champion boy. Grammy-nominated singer Kabaka Pyramid and reggae veteran Buju Banton recently teamed up on their latest single, Faded Away. The song, which is featured on Kabaka's Grammy-nominated album The Calling, released in September last year, is #9 on the album. Last evening, Kabaka announced the song's video release on his Instagram page with the caption, quote, "We are gonna show them the power of reggae music, original dancehall music when I run down the viral hype," end quote, as well as a video snippet.
Fade away. He who checks for only wealth and not for his physical health shall fade away. Fade away.
Skibbly bang. Them a move too wild, a run down Kyle. What that them a do fi boost up them profile.
Kabaka told E-Prime about the lessons he got from Buju during the video preparation and the meaning behind the lyrics of Faded Away, which speaks on the love of vanity.
The song is just really about not seeking vanity at this time, and I feel it very important because we see what the youth them focusing on with social media, and everybody want to go viral, everybody want this attention, instant gratification, all of these things, and we see what artists are sing about in the music just to gain popularity and all of these kind of things. So I feel this song and this video very important.
Kabaka is now preparing for his upcoming UK tour, which kicks off in March 2. Wrap.